Yeah, so what do I do?
Volume.
Yeah, okay, you have to create volume first. That's what I am telling you, right? Okay, you have to create a volume. In the case of Veritas, you have to create a volume.
What do you mean by volume? That like
Yeah,
in a partition?
here I am using the word slice.
Yeah.
Can I use the word slice there?
Yeah.
It's not appropriate, right? It's not appropriate here using slice. Then in that case you use logical volume. Slice here is not very appropriate. You will confuse later when you are
Yeah,
creating this.
but still you have to have the logical address on that. In case if you have it, how would you, let's say?
No. Logical address is only here. C0, T0, D0 is only here.
Okay.
You are not touching C0, T0, D0 here.
Okay.
If the guy is pouring water, is he pouring water into this or into this?
No.
We don't know. Can be anywhere.
Pouring in the volume.
Yeah, no, pouring. As at now, it's correct. Okay?
So is this group?
No, yeah, pouring the volume is correct, but as of now, so when you pour here, you don't know water is going here or there, right? But if water is going, do you have control where the water should go? Do you have control over that? No,
We can.
Yeah, we'll come to that later. That is more advanced. We can come to that later. So that is also another advantage of volume manager.
But why do you have to want? Why do you want to do that? Because in case that one filled up and that one, the other one doesn't fill up. So I don't think so. There's a point of that.
Yeah, but possible. There are points for that and possible. Okay.
So one quick question, Veritas is for Windows or is
For all the operating systems in the world.
for all operating systems?
Yeah.
So it can be used on.
Whatever we
Linux,
learn here can be used for any
So
operating system.
Linux, Unix,
Yeah.
or any operating
Yeah.
system in the world.
Yeah. Not Windows 7. In Windows 7, I don't know, maybe they have, maybe. I never use for a desktop version, maybe they have. Okay. So, I pour here, I don't know where the water is going, but it is going somewhere and it is saved somewhere. When it is getting filled, I get a warning. That's all. I can fill up to here or up to here.
Up to there.
there. The next one.
Who are the people saying up to here? This is number 1, this is number 2. Who are the people saying number 1?
Number 2 I'm saying.
Who are the people saying number 2?
I'm saying number 2.
Who are the people not saying anything?
I'm saying number
Number one side.
Number 2?
Number one.
Okay, go ahead, come.
I'm saying number
Go
1.
ahead.
Number 1. Number 1.
No. He's saying number 2 here. I thought he said number 2. Okay.
I can understand.
You understand? So, number 2 is the right answer. If anybody have a doubt about that, please.
I think
You
he
have
has,
doubt?
he said number 1.
You said number 1?
He said 2?
Yeah.
I heard 1.
No, he said two, that's why.
That's why I was saying.
We changed later statement.
Oh,
That
did
is
I?
what is it one?
After you heard me.
Number 2? Number 2 or number 1? Number 2? What about you?
Two.
So everybody understood that, right? Okay. Because you have nothing to do, this is not physical. You can't put water here, right? You can put water only here, right? That's what you have to understand clearly, right? Okay. Okay. So now, I told you that I can't, I'm not going to throw in the disk group, right? So I have to create volumes. Like when they made this building, they put they put walls all over the place. No partitions, no officers. Will they ask people to come and rent? No. So they have to create volumes, small areas. So I am going to divide this volume group, divide this disk group in this example into different volumes. So this is one volume. Can I create more than one volume?
Yeah, obviously.
Yeah, yes. Okay. So I can create more than one volume. So I create one volume. Okay. That volume is now equal to something like a slice. Right? Something like that. So what is the next step I should do? What is the next step I should do?
Point to where it's going to, which
Format. You have file
Yeah, only 3 steps. Don't forget.
volume?
Yeah. So I have to format. So volume I have to format. Then what is the next step? Format means DFS, huh? So what is the next step after formatting?
Mount, you have to mount.
One, you have to mount. So where the mount? This one. Yeah. So I have to make a directory and mount. Then the next one is make directory and mount. After mounting, what do you do?
Use.
Start using it. Okay? After mounting, you can go to CD that directory or copy files into that directory. Right? So everything is same. So only what you are doing is, earlier you had slices here,
Just take.
but now you have
Volume.
volumes
But
here.
how does it know which one to access, 3T or 4T?
Nobody knows. As of now, nobody knows. It may be accessing both, or may not be accessing anything. Okay? We'll come to that. Okay? We are on the way.
So what's the purpose for volume then? If it is already.
If there is no volume, what is the other alternative to put the things? I have 7 terabytes. I don't want to use 7 terabytes to copy my accounting files. Maybe 300 meg is enough for my accounting files. So what is the other option?
Different
Does it make the
departments.
volume then?
Yeah, volume is something like, I made this big building without partitioning, how can I rent it? Something like that. So I create small volumes. And when I'm creating a volume, I have to be very strict about the size. Do I have to be very strict about the size?
Yes.
Why?
I think you
Because at the end, if you want to partition, like,
No. Why partition? Why are you talking about partition?
at the end, if we want any volume space, so that we can use at the end, so.
No, but say I'm copying some files, say in this volume, and I need now only 2 terabytes. So can I make this volume 3 terabytes instead of making 5 terabytes?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah. Why? Why?
In case of
For
usage,
future.
that what,
Future use.
how much usage you want to have it on that?
No. In case of usage, what I can do?
You can make another partition
No.
or another volume on that.
You can extend the size.
I can expand the volume.
Expand the volume.
So that's another advantage. If suppose this is getting filled, I can expand. So that is another advantage of volume management.
So in Solaris, you cannot expand that without the help of.
Solaris, no.
Solaris, no?
No.
So
Volume
once you
management,
divide
yes.
it,
Value management, no.
Yeah.
it goes, like if you subdivided the size like 4 terabytes, so if it is filled up,
Yeah.
there's no way you can expand it?
In Solaris, no.
Yes.
But in Solaris volume manager, yes. Solaris, if you use volume manager, yes.
Yeah.
That
Oh,
you
okay.
can do.
That comes with the system.
Except
It
for-
comes with the
Yeah.
system.
But normally we don't use it. It is not forcing us to use it. Right? So normally we don't use it. But if you feel that you have to create a volume and it's going to increase and then you want to increase it like this without people knowing, then you have to create a volume there. Like this way. Okay?
So you're creating a volume and then in case it's required to expand, then you expand.
Yeah, at the time you can expand on the fly, right?
So you can expand it on the fly, like the
Yeah.
system is running,
Yeah,
and
yeah,
you can just
yeah,
expand it?
yeah.
Okay.
People won't know that. Now I said, what is my free space? 1 terabyte. After 5 seconds, for say 1 minute, my free space 10 terabytes.
Oh, nice.
So there are 2 advantages. One is that you can expand the volume, and second is that you can keep on adding more bottles there.
Yeah, and at the same time. Okay, now you're keeping on expanding, the whole disk group is full.
You might be driving car.
Then what do? You add another disk.
In future, your car will.
But actually volume management, volume is actually just to make a volume and you can expand it. That's the only advantage of that
Yeah.
volume.
Yeah, you're right.
But not for that, actually for that, if you want to add another bottle, that's a separate.
You can extend.
Then
That
the
is a
volume.
physical something, right?
Yeah, that's physical and volume is a different thing.
Yeah. This is at the computer level and this is at the
So application.
application level or user level, right? But this is at the computer level.
But this is all logical, so how do you do the formatting and all those things?
Okay, I'm copying a file here. The name of the file is file1. So tell me where that file is. The file1, where is it? Where is it saved?
It is
Somewhere
saved in
between
hard
3T
disk.
and
It
4T.
should be in this group.
No,
It
3T.
is here or here or here or here.
It is
Yeah,
the hard disk.
yeah.
Yeah, it's saved here. Yeah. So you nothing happens there. You put water. Water is here.
Yes, sir.
What is here?
Water is everywhere.
Again, you're getting to learn that.
Go and make it work.
Okay?
Okay, when you're doing
I
the
need
for-
some water.
when you are doing the formatting and all that, what are you formatting?
Formatting the file system.
Huh?
Formatting the file system. When you buy a brand new hard drive, can
So
you
you're formatting
use
the
the hard drive?
3T?
What?
You're formatting the 3T or 4T?
No. We are formatting
You
the
create-
volume.
So volume is a logical.
As a user, you are here, right? You are formatting here. As a user, you are not doing anything here. So when you do something, that particular portion in the hard drive is formatted.
Okay.
Yeah. But you are not thinking about this as a user. You are thinking about that part. Only as an administrator, you are thinking about hard drive. Only when there is a space problem, right? When we start doing it.
So if you're forwarding the file system in the sense volume, somewhere in the hard disk will be stored. It will just it will find some space. It will allocate some space in the hard disk. So if we are extending the hard disk, okay. If you want to extend our space, so how it can be possible that suppose the disk group has.
I will explain.
Okay.
Give me about another 5 minutes.
Yeah.
Okay. So
Pictures, what's
in this scenario, I am talking about solid hard drives, full hard drives, right? Is it possible for me to use this portion of the hard drive and this portion of the hard drive, right? While I am creating a particular volume. If I am creating a volume, can I tell that volume, okay, use only this piece and only this piece?
Yes.
I think
Yes, possible. Right? So this is a what?
Partitioning.
No, this is a
Slice.
no whole thing. This is a disk,
This.
and this is a
slice of it?
no, sub disk.
Portion.
Sub disk.
Sub-disk.
So we call this sub disk.
Yeah, same thing, portion of it is. A portion of
Don't
it is.
don't talk about slices. That is gone,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
So this is a disk, and this is a sub
Sub-disk.
disk, right? Okay, I have a disk here. Can I create one sub disk from here to here? Is it allowed? This is a sub disk. True or false?
True.
True. Can I create a sub disk, this piece and this piece as one sub disk?
Uh-huh.
Can I?
No.
You have to combine them together.
No, what I'm saying is, when I say sub disk, it should be a
One board.
continuous space. I can't take one piece from there, one piece from there, and take a sub disk. Take a sub disk. How can I make like that? Can I make
It's gonna be
like
it's
that?
gonna be a lot of mess then. It's
Yeah,
gonna be
you
so
can't.
many.
Right? Yeah.
it's become
So this is a sub disk, but this and this joined together is not a sub
two
disk.
different subjects.
No.
Yeah, I can create two sub disks.
Just-
Yeah, but it's gonna be a lot of mess then. It's not hard to administrate that.
Yeah, yeah. No, not hard. It cannot. It's not possible. Right? So, volume can be made up of sub disks, right? Sub disks can be joined to make
Plexus.
plexus. Maybe she has read something.
Yes.
Okay. So I have a volume here. This is the volume which I am expanding here. This is the volume I am putting here. So volume can be made up of what?
Sub disks.
No, first plex. And plex can be made up of what?
Sub-disk.
Subdisk. And the subdisk can be a portion of this hard drive. Is it understood? Understood?
Very well explained.
Okay. Clear?
The Plex, you haven't taught, right? You haven't gone to Plex, right?
No, no.
Yeah.
Just I introduced. Yeah. I will talk about
So
plex
it's
maybe
the
after
volume
3
is made
classes.
up of plexus, plexus is made up of subdisk, subdisk is made up, can be a part of a disk.
Subdisk is part of a
Portion.
Disk.
a
Portion
part
of
of
disk.
Part of
a
disk.
continuous part of a disk. Right? It should be continuous, right? It can't be like patches, right?